Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your new hosting in SiteGround. So once you have paid, you should come to this screen in here, my accounts, and you should click on here, go to cPanel. We have to install a certificate to get an SSL for the domain. I will show you how. It's very easy. You go down here. Inside of security there is a section called Let's Encrypt. You open it. It takes a bit loading. Okay, so now this is my domain. I want to install a certificate for this domain with Let's Encrypt. I click on install. It has been installed successfully. Let me refresh the page to see if everything is okay. It should appear here. I don't know why I don't see the certificate. Let me go home again. And now let's encrypt. I can see it now. Okay, perfect. I have the certificate for my domain. I will now go and install WordPress on the domain. I go here, WordPress installer. I could also use this one. Let's see. I will press that one. We want to install WordPress in the domain. Okay, I come here, I come down and check everything. I have enough space and everything is okay. I click on here on install. I check that I have the latest version. Perfect. It is now picking HTTPS, the domain. The directory should be empty so that everything is installed on root, on the main root. Perfect. This is how I want to call my site and the description. You can change it as you wish, but I am going to keep it like that for now. This is the admin username. I will change it to Fernando, for example. This is the password. It is a random generated password which is strong enough. It is 65 over 100, which is okay for me. Now here is the admin email. You can change it by your Gmail account or your Hotmail, and you can later on change it inside of WordPress, so that's not a problem. I will keep it like that for now. The language, I keep it English. You can change here. Then in here, what is important is the classic editor. You have to select that one because the new editor is not as good as the old one, for me at least. It is a bit too complicated. I also select WordPress starter, and down here I have the database. I keep it the defaults. I don't touch that. Then I click on install. We have to wait a bit. It says 3-4 minutes, but normally it is less than 3-4 minutes. You will see. Propagating the database. Now it will say successful. The installation was successfully. Okay, good. So now I have installed WordPress. I will go to this URL. This is the administration URL. Once in here, let me see. Okay, I am inside the WordPress administrator, and the website should be showing now. Should be good. Let me see. Now I'm opening the website in the front page. Perfect. So now we will install some plugins and we will select the default theme. Okay, so now we have to install some plugins, the ones I normally install and recommend you also install. Let's see one for Google Analytics. It is by Monster Insights. This one. Install. It is installing. Now activate. I'm not going to set up every plugin, or this video could take a very long time, so I'm just going to exit for now. Now I come back to here. You will have to fill it by yourself, or there are always guides for these plugins, so I'm not going to do it right now. Now another one, Jetpack. This one is good if you have many blogs. You can connect every blog to Jetpack and you can update everything from inside of Jetpack. I activate it. I'm also not going to set it up right now. Now WP Forms. This is to add contact forms. WP Forms Lite. Let me see. This is the one. Install now. And activate. Now another important one for SEO. It is called Yoast SEO. This is the one I use normally. This one. Activate. Now we need to install one for backups. It has a very complicated name for me. It is called Updraft Plus. This one. Install now. And now I activate it too. And now we need to install one for security, the best one for me. It is called WordFence. WordFence. I install it and activate it. And the last one, which is for cache, but you also have cache in here. The last one is called W3 Total Cache. I install it. And then activate. All these plugins are free. Here they are. Here is the list of all the plugins. Now I'm going to show you the themes, the free themes, if you want to activate one or the other. I have that one activated right now, 2019. I can activate that one, for example, activate, I press on here, and the theme is activated. I'm going to show you how to create a new post with this new theme. Well, it is the same for every theme. I click on here. This is a test post. I'm getting here a warning to set up Google Analytics, but I'm not going to do it right now because this is a test domain. You can do it for yourself by just clicking here. This is my test post. Okay, so now I just have to press on publish. And this is the URL. I just want to show you this is the post. Okay, it has been posted here. One thing I also recommend that you do is you go to settings, permalinks, to remove the date from the URL, and you select here post name only, and now save changes. Okay, now I go to my previous post and I refresh the page, and the date should be gone. You see, no more dates in the URL. This is how I like it to be. Okay, so this is now done for now.